Hello YouTube, in this video we'll see how to install macOS, Mac operating system on virtual machine. Okay, first we need to download an autolocker because some VM machines doesn't have an option to install macOS. So we click download. Okay. Extra here. Then unlock. Okay, then click patch. I already patched my VM machine. Okay. Then we open our virtual machine. Next, look for image for our macOS. Here it is. All links will be in description. As you can see here, we have the option. Here you need to choose where you want to install the virtual machine. Make sure you have space, so I'll make it 80. Next. Okay, maybe I'll change the RAM, make it 8. Close. Okay, finish. For those who has AMD or Ryzen processor, as you can see it's not starting, so they may have two problems. First, you may have this problem. AMD V, this host supports AMD V, but AMD V is disabled. I will put the link below in description how to solve this. Okay, now we see how to fix the CPU has been disabled by the guest OS. Okay, so for those who has AMD processor, as you can see here, AMD system only. My processor is 5600G, so I will look for the keys that's close to my processor. Okay, here, Ryzen 5700G. Control C. We go to the virtual machine and look for our macOS 13, this one. Okay, right click, not bad. Okay, move all down, enter, Control V, then save, Control S. Okay, now we go to the virtual machine and we power on again. Okay, see, it works now. And for those who has faced any issue while they are installing, leave the comment below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, we choose language, disk utility, okay, then go for VMware Virtual SATA, click erase, change the name, macOS if you want, macOS or whatever you want. Erase. Okay, now the partition is ready. We close. Install macOS. Continue. Then continue. Okay, agree. Then we click on this hard disk. Continue. Then we will wait. Now we will wait. Okay, now we choose the country. I'll put UK. I'll put UK. Okay, not now. We have to disconnect the internet. Okay, continue. Not now. Agree. Okay, now we have to put the name. macOS. And then macOS. We have to put the password. There will be no hint. Okay. Creating account. Don't use. And change the region like this. UK. Okay, let's just leave it. Continue. Set up later. I will choose dark. I like dark. Finally, it's done. So next video I will show you how to install the VM tools. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a great day.